We're here at Scotiabank Arena today. We're here with one of the operators with MLSE, Denis Leite. Denis, how long have you been with MLSE?
30 plus years.
Okay.
Going on from Maple Leaf Gardens to here.
Been a journey.
Yep.
Yeah. What do you do from the operational side? I hear mostly you are the guru of ice maintenance.
I usually come in the morning after a big show, lift up the boards, get to ice, and we start cleaning up and shaving down and make sure it's ready for NHL standards.
So when it comes to ice maintenance, do you actually get involved doing the figure eights and the cross cuts and the zone cuts and things like
Yes.
that? Okay.
Maintenance day, we're stuck for time, right? Like players will go on at 9 o'clock and we have like a 3-hour window.
So what time does your day start?
5 o'clock in the morning.
And what time do you usually get out?
1:30, 2 o'clock.
You're actually driving tonight for the game, I believe.
Yes, today I'll be driving.
So you talk about conversions going from concert or non-ice to ice. What's that look like and how long does that take?
To go from a concert to hockey, it's usually about a 6-hour flip over. They'll be done by 5:30. We start chipping, edging, scraping, building, burning, measuring, and trying to build up all before 9 o'clock before the team comes on.
And your desired thickness that you're trying to hit?
Inch and a quarter.
Inch and a quarter. And would that be the case for the game as well?
Yes.
Inch and a quarter.
Inch and a quarter.
Great. Well, Denis, thanks for taking the time to speak
No
to us
problem.
today. Greatly
Yep.
appreciated.
Thank
Look
you.
forward to chatting with you soon.
Thank you, Marty.
Thanks.